Okay, Internet, I am going to make this video. This is in response to trying to figure out how to run a generator, little portable generator, such as my Pulsar. It's a 4,000 watt dual fuel. As you can see, it's 4,000 on gasoline and 3,700 on propane. So technically I'm limited at 3,700 because I've never had fuel in this, and I'm running it on propane. Now, purpose of this video is because I looked all over the internet, and the internet said you cannot run a generator off of a quick connect. You have to run it off of a bottle. Well, I quite didn't believe it. What I did is I did a Y connector, or T, or whatever you want to call it, but I split the propane feed right off of the switcher between the two tanks. This feed goes to the RV. This one goes to my generator. So I ran that down underneath, down along the bottom of the RV, tucked up nice and neat. And I ran it down here to a quick connect, just like you would have for your barbecue. So it's plugged in there. Cable goes up here, goes right into the generator to power it, to run it. And then, of course, the power cord to the shore power connection. So, and let me show you. I've already got it set in the start position on the switch. So I'm going to start it. Can be finicky sometimes here. There we go. Run position. Wait for the lights to go out. Good. We're going to go back around the trailer here. We're only connected to the one bottle. One bottle's open. You can see the lever is over to here, to this one. Go over here. Go inside. Here's the AC unit. You can see here, it's an Advent unit. And I'm going to take the switch and click it over. You can hear it just kicked on. There's low cool, medium cool, and high cool. So, totally running. Go back out here. After I did the original video of running the generator off the quick connect, I noticed it was quite noisy and at high RPM when I first turned on the AC unit. My guess is, since the trailer hasn't been plugged in, that the generator was actually charging the batteries as well. So here it is at probably about half output that it was originally. I'll go back over here, kind of stand in the same spot where I did my ending video. That is the noise of the generator currently. So a few minutes ago it kicked down significantly, and we're still running the AC. You can hear it pretty good. You can see it's still on high cool. Yes, I'm missing a knob. I need to find a knob for that. I bought the trailer, it was missing. So I just wanted to share that with you. This will be added into the video to show that this generator right here is quite adequate for the job. So there you have it. I've got the generator there running off the quick connect that you would normally do to a barbecue. I bought all the parts off of Amazon, just wired off the existing main feed line that goes to the RV itself, ran it to the back, installed the quick connect, bought the appropriate hose off of Amazon, and plumbed it all up. Took me a couple hours to do, and now I don't have to carry an extra bottle of propane with me everywhere. I can just pull it out, plug it in at the back of the trailer right where I plug in the power, and go. So there you are. Any questions or anything, feel free to comment, and I will follow up and answer the best I can. Thank you.